Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Sherven.
Cooking with Sherven.
Today we're going to cook some simple egg. Let's go. For my class project, come on. Hey guys, so we're gonna cook some egg now. We got here some mantika. We're gonna just place a small amount to start our cooking. Now I'm not sure of the exact amount that I'm going to place here, but my trusty cameraman will tell me to stop.
Stop!
Okay guys, so here we have our egg. Just gonna place it in like this. Yummy. Okay, just wait for this to cook up. Let's add some salt too. There we go. We are cooking some yummy egg, yummy egg.
Eventually.
It's time to stop! It's time to stop, okay?
Okay guys, our egg is just about done. Just remember, if you're gonna pick up your egg, you gotta use something flat like this.
Okay.
Come on, first try, let's go. Uh-oh.
YOLO!
You know what? That's fine.
Hey, that's pretty good.
For first try, I'd say that's a success. Okay, that is our egg complete. I gotta say, for a first try, that's a big success over there. I'm going to turn off the flame. Okay, that's it for today's episode of Cooking with Sherven. Bye bye. I'm never doing this again. Bye.
Okay.